my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and probably a lot of the other One UI 6.1 phones, tablets, etc. So like the S23, the S22, anything that has One UI 6.1. And it's called screen sharing, screen share after a screenshot was taken. Okay, and what it basically does is, if you're like me, you send a lot of screenshots. I take a lot of screenshots, but I also will take a screenshot and send them. And it's not something that I always want to go directly to the gallery. I like to take the screenshot, send it to someone, and then it's done, it's gone. I don't want to then have to take an extra step to go into the gallery and delete it. Well, there's an option that toggles that to automatically on or automatically off, and I'll show you. Okay, so let's go to our settings. We will scroll down to advanced features, screenshots and screen recordings right here. And then this option, delete after sharing. So automatically select and delete after sharing option when you share screenshots, screen write images, smart select captures. So we're going to leave this on, and I am going to take a screenshot of this screen. Okay. And then we'll go like we're going to share it to someone. And then as you see, this button at the top, it's automatically selected. Delete after sharing right here. Okay, so instead of it normally, and you can still select it off if you don't want it to, but this just defaults that to always being on. So now if I want to send this to someone, I can send it and it'll automatically delete it. So it won't be in my gallery. I won't have to take another step. Or if you want, you can still uncheck this like I said. Now, if I send the picture will send to whoever I want it sent to. Then it will also be in my gallery. So you can have it either way, but that setting right here, delete after sharing, will default that setting to always being on. So it's just another nice little handy trick that saves you some time and after taking a screenshot. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.